Dynamic typing in Python has few advantages. First, you don't need to specifically declare the type of a variable before you use it. Python automatically determines the variable type based on the value you assign to the variable. Second, Python also makes it possible for you to change the type of a variable during the program execution. This flexibility can make coding quicker and easier. Here is a simple example to illustrate dynamic typing in Python. In the initial assignment, the variable var1 is first assigned an integer with value 10. The type is then checked using the type function, which confirms that var1 is of type integer. var1 is then reassigned to a string with value hello world. The type is then checked again, and this time it shows that var1 is of type str. Finally, var1 is assigned a list with values 1, 2, 3. The type check reveals that var1 is now a list. As you can see from this Python code, it is possible to change the variable type multiple times during runtime. This feature of dynamic typing allows for rapid development and iteration. However, you need to be cautious as it can sometimes lead to runtime errors if types are not handled carefully.